welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you cordless vacuum cleaner. These are some of the specifications, basic information. Let me go ahead and open the box. Here's the user manual. Let's check all the attachments. You can extend it from here, however you like. Okay. Charging adapter. Some of the heads. LED lights. We have wheels here. Here is the battery. Here we have the cleaning brush and filters. You can hang it on the wall. Additional parts here. You can put the vacuum cleaner right there. And here is the vacuum cleaner. Let's put the battery in right here. Now it has 60% charge. This is touch button. Level 1, level 2, and this is level 3. This is how you're gonna take it out. And you can press it over here. It's gonna open. And clean it up and put it back. Here is the filter area. Like that. Let's go ahead and test it out. I have a dirty place because of my birds. Let's check this out. I'm gonna use this one first. Let's see. Level 1, level 2, and level 3. What about this? Next thing is I'm gonna try this. Let's see. This area. This is level 1, level 2, level 3. As you can see, the wheels are working wonderfully. This is non-slippery, that's why it's going to be accurate like that. Let's take this out and try to get those. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because we have 3 heads and we have expandable part. When we check the main head, it has LED light right there, and it has wheels, and as you can see, you can just turn it whatever you like. It is very easy. Let's take this out. Now we're just gonna press here. Then go ahead and press over here. This is what we have so far. If you're gonna clean this area too, just take it out and wash it, dry it, and put it back. How are we gonna clean this? Press, open it, take it out, wash it, dry it, and put it back. When you mount this on the wall, we're just gonna put it like that. And this is how we're gonna charge. Now it's charging. Okay, you put the attachment right there and right here.